da, da. Bit of welding going on. How'd that go?
A bit smelly.
Oh yeah. Do you want the fan over here? Just welding up some holes in the engine bay. Prepping her for its, I don't know, second or third birthday. Yeah, pretty good. It's only a few little holes, a little bit of rust, not much. That's really the worst of it. This door's a bit dented, but that's alright. What a beast. So we got all the holes and shit welded up. Except for those, we need to plate that. Oh, everything that didn't need plating got fucking welded up. Look at shit in here, and just all the ones that were added, left all the stock ones. But yeah, I've just been getting this all ready for him as well. I went through all his carbies, and I've cleaned one up. Checked all the jets and cleaned it all. Put like a bigger primary jet in. I found in one of them. Look. Found some numbers on there. They're all like bogged up on the top. It's in backwards, isn't it? Other way around, like that. TX26838 or something. Yeah. Looking cool. Yeah. Yeah, Brody's just been in here getting as much of the floor, all the like old layers of paint and crap off. And yeah, just getting ready to, I don't know if you can see that, getting ready to patch up the holes. There's not many, it's pretty mint. And yeah, this side's got the sandpiper guard on it. Some pretty fucking savage rusts on this spot. It's a bit bright, a bit hard to see that. Yeah. Got the aircon fan on there. Fuck. Stepped on that black shit. Yeah. TX2 26855. Yeah. Sick. Bumpers, and take all the paint off them. They look pretty good under there. Oh, they actually look pretty straight. So yeah, we're going to take all the paint off, the thinners. And yeah, put the engine in next week, I reckon. That's it.